On Friday, a helicopter carrying Colombian President Ivan Duque was hit by numerous gunfire. Duque condemned the cowardly attack and stated that he is unafraid of violence or act of terrorism. The incident occurred when the presidential helicopter was flying through Colombia's Catatumbo region, which is home to leftist armed group National Liberation Army.
Quiero informarle al país que luego de cumplir un compromiso en Sardinata,
He said in a video message, the incident took place while the president's helicopter was flying through Colombia's Catatumbo region. No one was injured, a spokesman for the presidency said. The troubled Catatumbo region on Colombia's border with Venezuela is home to extensive coca crops, the main ingredient of cocaine. It is where the guerrillas of the leftist National Liberation Army operate. Former FARC fighters who rejected 2016 peace deal with government along with armed criminal groups involved with drug trafficking. Security personnel have been given clear instructions to find those behind the attack.